If I could, I'd like to talk to you about the good folks at Woodford Brothers. You know that they are the basement experts, right? But they are also folks who are completely COVID compliant and all that stuff, folks who can go to work right now. And they'd like to talk to you right now. You are at the house, and go down in your basement and just look at what it is and see if there might be ways it could be better. And that's with your eyes, with your what could functionally be here better, and also might seem odd, but with your nose. You go down your basement right now, and if it's musty, check and see. Right? No, sniff that. It ought not to be, and it doesn't have to be. And Woodford Brothers stands ready right now to help you. Right? They do everything in your basement, and you can not only talk to them right now, but they can come out and look at your basement right now. No, you go upstairs, they'll be downstairs, in, out, wipe stuff down, no contact, no nothing, right? It all is done completely COVID conscious and safe. But you've got a basement, it could use some work, and they've got skills, and they need to be applied. 844 402 3535 is the number. You can also find that nice and easy at the website, basementbrothersradio.com, basementbrothersradio.com for Woodford Brothers.